Incorrect tax calculations can create serious problems for your Shopify store. Customers may be overcharged, undercharged, or even abandon their purchases if taxes don't look right at checkout. Fortunately, most tax issues in Shopify are caused by configuration settings that can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix Shopify calculating tax wrong, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Settings. From there, click Taxes and Duties. This section controls how Shopify calculates taxes for different countries and regions. The first thing you should do is verify that you've set up the correct tax regions. Make sure you've added every country or state where you're required to collect sales tax. Next, review your tax registrations. If you're registered to collect taxes in a specific state, province, or country, ensure that the registration details are entered correctly. An incorrect registration can cause Shopify to apply the wrong tax rates during checkout. Another common issue is an incorrect customer shipping address. Shopify calculates taxes primarily based on the shipping destination. If a customer enters the wrong country, state, or postal code, the tax amount may be inaccurate. Test your checkout using different addresses to confirm that taxes are being calculated correctly for each location. You should also review your product tax settings. Go to Products and open one of the affected products. Scroll down to the Pricing section and verify that Charge Tax on this product is enabled. If this option is unchecked, Shopify won't apply taxes to that product, even if taxes are configured correctly elsewhere. On the other hand, some products may be tax-exempt in certain regions. For example, digital products, food items, or medical products may have special tax treatment depending on local laws. If you're selling products with special tax treatment, make sure you've assigned the appropriate product categories in Shopify. Product categories help Shopify apply the correct tax rates automatically. If you're selling internationally, check whether you've enabled Include or Exclude tax based on customer country settings. Some regions expect taxes to be included in displayed prices, while others add taxes during checkout. Incorrect settings here can make it appear as though Shopify is calculating taxes incorrectly. Third-party apps can also interfere with tax calculations. If you recently installed a tax, accounting, or checkout app, temporarily disable it and test your checkout again. Some apps override Shopify's default tax settings and may create conflicts. Another important step is reviewing your shipping tax settings. In some regions, shipping charges themselves are taxable. Go to Settings, then Taxes and Duties, and verify whether taxes should apply to shipping according to your local regulations. After making changes, always test your checkout thoroughly. Place several test orders using different products and shipping addresses. Compare the calculated taxes with your local tax requirements to ensure everything is accurate. If you've checked all these settings and taxes are still incorrect, contact Shopify support or consult a qualified tax professional. Tax laws vary by location, and professional advice may be necessary for complex situations. So, to quickly recap, review your tax regions, verify registrations, check customer addresses, confirm product tax settings, review product categories, test third-party apps, and verify shipping tax rules. In most cases, one of these steps will resolve incorrect tax calculations in Shopify. I hope this tutorial helped you fix incorrect tax rates in Shopify. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.